How to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. First of all, in your device, open up Microsoft Store. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account. Now, head towards the search bar and then search for Office 365. Here, scroll down a bit now to download Microsoft's Excel for free. There you will have this Microsoft 365. You have to open it up. Now you have to install this. Here I have already installed it in my device, so I have opened. But in your case, you will have install button. So click on it. Once you install and download, log in with your Microsoft account and you will get Microsoft Excel for free. So that's how you can download and install Microsoft Excel for free, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.